Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with the best at-home muffin top toning workout. You're gonna love it, so let's get right into it. First up, we have a standing crunch and twist, all right? So 30 seconds on the clock, hands up here, don't even have to be touching your head, all right? And we're doing elbow to opposite knee, all right? But I want you to remember to come back up in a standing position. So don't stay down here in that crunch. Go crunch, stand, crunch, stand. Very good. So extending your posture back up before you go to the other side, all right? Breathing, really feeling that crunch, bringing your knee up, all right? Not going slouching too much down to meet your knee, all right? Using those lower abs, those lower belly muscles to bring your knee up to you, all right? And 3, 2, 1. And very good. Go ahead, keep your hands up there, a little wider stance for standing side crunches. All right, so same knee, same elbow. All right, and remember, coming up to that nice straight extended position before going to the other crunch. All right, and making sure that your rib cage is nice and closed. We don't want to be back here. We want to, boom, close that rib cage. All right, tuck in the tummy, tuck in the butt. Very good. Breathing. Taking your time as well. The beauty of 30 seconds is that you can go at your own pace. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Coming to a nice standing position, not wide like we were before for side extensions. Hands down, and you're gonna go ahead and trace the side of your body. Coming down, so extending one side here, crunching the other, and then switching. All right, reaching down as much as you can in a good posture. All right, so keep those shoulders pushed away from your ears. All right, nice straight back. Very good. Breathing. Awesome job. And 3, 2, 1, and up. Very good. Next, we have some side twists, all right? Hands out to the side, palms facing up in like a 45 degree angle. All right, so nice strong arms, and you're going to twist. Torso twist side to side. Go ahead and keep looking forward. Don't follow your hands, and make sure you're keeping your lower body in place. We don't want to be twisting like that, no. Nice squared hips in place, all right? Really focusing on that torso twist. All right, this is great for the core, works the back even. Very good, nice strong arms, no flimsy arms, boom, boom. You should even be feeling a little arm workout in this because you're so engaged. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, and release. Last but not least, a squat to side punch. Feet are hip width apart. Your knees never pass your toes when you go in that squat. All right, and you're gonna come up and you're gonna twist. I want you to use your whole body, not just bleh, bleh. No, boom, twist. Down and twist. Very good. Breathing. Awesome job. You can go in more of a fluid motion like this, or you can go ahead and break it up, come back to standing, squat, up, then twist, all right? Whatever makes you feel safer and more stable and balanced, all right? As long as you're using proper form, you'll feel it all. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it, set 1 done and dusted. Right on to set 2, big breath. Starting with our standing crunch and twist. Let's go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. And 3, 2, 1, a little bit wider, standing side crunch. Let's go. Don't forget to breathe. Very good. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1. Release. Side extensions. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Arms up. Strong arms. Side twist. And 3, 2, 1. Center. Release. Finishing strong with the squat side punch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center and celebrate. 2. Done and dusted.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1. A little bit wider. Standing side crunch. Let's go. Don't forget to breathe. Very good. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1. Release. Side extensions. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Arms up. Strong arms. Side twist. And 3, 2, 1. Center, release. Finishing strong with the squat side punch. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Center and celebrate. I'm winded, I'm feeling it. Let me know in the comments if you are too. Which was your favorite move? Where are you tuning in from? What other videos you would like to see here on our channel? And I hope to see you on the next one. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.